Welcome to this module on stress management. Unlike any other module, unlike any other subjects that we have discussed, I think the stress management is specifically a bit different. First of all, I would like to know ideally from you, why are you looking at stress management as a module now? Do you want to learn about stress management? Are you stressed? Do you want to make sure that you will not be stressed? Now there could be a variety of reasons why you are looking at this particular module. I would suggest you that you should crystallize your thoughts. When you are talking about this particular module, you should crystallize your thoughts. Why are you taking up this particular module? Because depending upon that, a lot of variations will have to be worked out by you to ensure that the tips and tricks that we are talking about over here will be taken care of. Stress management is going to be not a complex subject as such. However, it's going to be a subject that needs to be understood thoroughly well before we can talk about coping with the stress as such. I would like to suggest you that our agenda, our discussion will be centered around these points. Let's talk about the first point, and that particular point is, what exactly is stress? There is a lot of confusion on this particular word which is called as stress. Let's try to shaft the things out. Let's try to remove the things out. Let's try to understand what exactly do we mean by stress, and particularly the stress that originates from the business environment. So let's try to focus on what is stress. Now once we have understood what the stress is, I think it will be important for us to understand that what are the symptoms, what are the signs of the stress. Sometimes what happens is this: you don't even realize that you are stressed out. You don't even think you are stressed out, but there are signs, there are some kind of a symptoms which come out, and those particular symptoms are the early warning signals that we should be looking at, we should be listening to, and we will therefore talk about the early warning signals which arise out of stress as such. So the second topic will be signs and symptoms of stress. The third point of this module will be about coping the stress. We would have understood what the stress is. We would have understood the signs and symptoms of stress. We have to take care of it, right? So therefore, let's see how to take care, how to make sure that we will not get stressed, and that will be our third point of this particular module. We will go to the fourth point now, and that is, let's rethink about the stressors. Well, I'm sure the word is coming here for the first time, so let me briefly explain. Even though we are going to spend a lot of time on that later, let me briefly explain the things or the situations or the articles which cause stress. We will call them stressors. For example, I am jumping the gun right now, but nevertheless, we will come back to that again. For example, a kind of a very huge target for sales can be a stressor. Or maybe you want to buy a house, but you don't have adequate finances. That can be the stressor. So anything that causes stress is called as stressors. And in our fourth point, we are going to discuss, we are going to talk about how to rethink the stressors. See, if there are no stressors in our life, there will be no fun. Our life is all about challenges. We take these particular challenges. So the idea is not to avoid stressors. The idea is to confront stressors. Therefore, we will rethink about the stressors, and that will be our point number 4. Well, generally speaking, there will be a lot of tips and tricks available. So some of the tips and tricks which can reduce your blood pressure, which can reduce your stress, which can reduce your cholesterol, which can make you happy. So we will talk about some of the tips and the tricks of this particular trade to how to manage stress, and that will be our topic number 5. Well, can you manage, can you cope up with all the stress, all the stresses, or for that matter? Well, it's always possible that you may not be able to cope up with the stress in certain situations. Let's therefore focus on our attention on those particular things where you can't cope up with the stress. What should you be doing? So we will talk about certain situations which may not be under our control. We won't be able to cope up our stress in that particular situation, or in those situations we will try to see what to do under those circumstances. So To begin with, this is going to be our agenda. These are the points that we are going to be discussing. As we go further, we will elaborate with the help of examples, we will elaborate with the help of possibilities that can be done, and we will try to ensure that we will be able to manage stress in a much better way. However, as I said in the beginning, it's important that we formulate our own frame of mind before we go ahead with this particular course, with this particular module. Think about it. Think about it, that why is it important for you to go through this particular module. I am not going to tell you that why important is it to have the stress management, but you should be formulating that in your mind, so that with that frame of mind it becomes much easier to deal with the stress.